As the broader stock market begins to plateau at record highs, Pony AI has followed the herd with its price falling back towards the flat $12 to $10 range. Yet pony lovers aren't concerned given the recent prestigious progress that's reportedly been made. In the run-up to its next earnings conference call on Tuesday, August 12th at 8 a.m. Eastern Time, 2 million kilometers of road testing was reached. This isn't just impressive because of sheer distance, but also for the progress in Level 4 autonomous driving technology. Building on this success, Pony AI announced on July 26th that it had received a permit to operate fully driverless robo-taxi services in the Pudong-New area of Shanghai, making Pony AI the only company with fully driverless commercial robo-taxi service permits in all 4 of China's building Tier 1 cities: Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, and Shenzhen. Future plans look to further expand its services in the core business districts of Jinqiao and Huamu. The Pudong-New area, where Pony AI will operate its robo-taxi services, is a strategic location with a population of over 5 million people and is home to key financial institutions, multinational corporations, and high-tech innovation hubs. The area's proximity to Lujiazui, the heart of Shanghai's financial district and luxury retail, provides Pony AI with opportunities to engage with premium users and unlock substantial commercial opportunities. Despite recent challenges involving a short-seller report accusing the company of falsifying autonomous driving data, Pony AI overshadowed these claims with the go-ahead of the mass production of its Gen 7 robo-taxi and plans to expand its autonomous fleet to 1,000 vehicles by the end of 2025. Earlier in Guangzhou and Shenzhen, Pony launched 24/7 robo-taxi operations, significantly expanding its service hours in 2 of China's most dynamic economic hubs. This shift increased availability from 15 hours daily to full round-the-clock access. Not too long after testing hours in Beijing were extended to 24 hours a day. Gen 7 robo-taxi trials will also eventually go beyond Beijing and start in Guangzhou and Shenzhen.